Here's some interesting problems. We're going to work backwards a little bit with this problem. You should already know a technique for solving this, but I'm going to show you how to solve it using a system of equations and substitution. So let's say you had a graph and the equation of that line was in slope-intercept form. You don't know what the equation is, but you do know that it passes through these points, 2, -4, and 8, 5. How would you find the equation of that line, just knowing what you know so far? You got 2 points, how could you find the equation of that line in slope-intercept form? Find the slope, and then find the y-intercept. Right? That's one way you know. But you can also find the slope and the y-intercept using a system of equations. Here's how you do that. And this is one of the questions in your assignment. So, well, not this exact question, but one like it. Okay, so this is good practice for that. So what you do is you take this general form, and one of your points, in this case we're going to take 2, -4, and we're going to put it in for x and y. Okay, because we know that those points are on the line, therefore we can put them into the equation. So I put in -4 for y, and 2 for x, plus b. Okay, I just put in what I know. I'm going to do that again with the other point. Okay, this time I'll put in 5 for y, and 8 for x. And again, I don't know what m, the slope, and b, the y-intercept, are. Right? But I do know 2 points on that line. And you can see right here, I have a system, right, of 2 things that I don't know, 2 variables. Okay? So very similar to what we were doing before. And we're going to use substitution to find m and b. So, in the interest of doing that, which variable do you think we'll solve for?
One of the b's.
One of the b's. It doesn't really matter. Okay? So let's solve for this b. So b equals -4, and I'm just bringing this 2m over, minus 2m. Maybe I should write it the right way. So it'd be -4 minus 2m equals b. That's probably a better way to write it. Okay, then I make my substitution. I replace b in the other equation with this statement. It goes right there. Okay, so this would be 5 equals 8m plus -4 minus 2m. And now I just solve for m. So I bring, let's see here, I'm going to add those m's together, so that's 6m minus 4, and I'm going to bring that 4 over, so it becomes positive. And that's 9 equals 6m. Divide both sides by 6. And I can reduce this fraction here to 3 over 2. So the slope of that line is 3 over 2. Didn't even have to use slope formula.
Look at that.
Okay. The y-intercept can be found just by plugging m in right there. Right? Because b is the y-intercept. So let's find that. Let's go b is equal to -4 minus 2 times that slope we got, 3 over 2. That would be -4 just minus 3. These 2's cancel, giving us -7. So the equation of the line that goes through the points 2, -4, and 8, 5 is 3 over 2 x minus 7. We found the slope and we found the y-intercept using our system.